Hello and welcome to this short training tutorial on how to edit the features photos section of your Facebook personal profile. I dove a little bit more in depth in this yesterday inside of our VIP Co-Creating Queens community, which is where it's my group coaching community where we go live every week and we chat one-on-one about various topics related to growing your business specifically online and occasionally going into like mindset and money trainings and stuff like that. So if you want to catch the deeper training, it's a 45-minute one. That is inside of the VIP community, which you can sign up for. I will put the link down below. Otherwise, if you are looking for a more comprehensive course on Facebook, my Facebook course is launching here in the next 2 weeks, and I will put the link down below for that as well. So if you are looking specifically to have a Facebook foundation, which is perfect for business owners who don't have a website yet, you're just getting started, Facebook is like the place to do that. So I would highly recommend hopping in there, and I would love to welcome you. And if you are watching this video and you do sign up for the course, if you sign up through the link down below, you will be getting like a special deal. So, okay, anyways, here I'm going to show you when you're going to your Facebook personal profile. Okay, this is not your page, but your personal profile. Go down here to the edit. And that little pencil is going to bring up the option to choose some different photos. And I'm actually swapping out this little Instagram thing. It's not working. It's easier just to use the link down in that section. So I'm actually going to put the photo for my new podcast, which is launching, inside of the featured photos. Okay, so this is Co-Creating Queens, the podcast for those queens who want next level business, lifestyle, money, and mindset tips. It's more of an unfiltered, rough around the edges, unedited style podcast. So I'm really excited. And of course, I will put the link for you down below. Okay. So you can see here, I just did a post on my personal Facebook page, but for those people who are coming to my personal profile who are brand new, maybe they saw me comment somewhere else in one of the groups, when you're making your first impression. So when those new people are coming to your personal Facebook profile, the goal is to attract them and connect them. That's the goal of your personal Facebook profile. So we talked about the imagery that you're using, getting rid of irrelevant information here from your info section, and making sure that your featured photos are correctly displaying the images that are going to attract the right clientele. So, your lifers, your ideal target audience, and then repel the wrong ones. Because really the goal of your Facebook is not to like be friendly and appealing to everyone, but rather to appeal to your very specific target audience. So once you have chosen some featured photos, I recommend anywhere from 1 to 6, but no more than that. Otherwise, you can go up to 9, I think, but it gets honestly super, super cluttered. So anywhere from 1 to 6 is a good bet. If you are a lifestyle influencer and you have different aspects of your brand, you could do 1 photo like per major topic. So if your focus is business and wellness, you could put a really nice photo of, you working out. I don't know. I'm just going to keep this one of me here. You could, if, your whatever images are associated with your brand is what you will put here. And again, I went into, you do not want to use images here that are not original. So you don't just want to go Google random images. You can actually get dinged for that and banned because Facebook is cracking down on like copyright issues. If you're looking for a photo service to get images and stuff like that, you can do Canva. I think they have a free account. There's lots of photos that are free, but I do recommend purchasing a pro account. I think it's like $12 a month, but you get access to thousands of professionally taken photos, and you can also search through the photos. So I could put like smoothie bowl, and let's see what comes up here. So this is just an example. By the way, if you're looking for all of these resources and links to things that I'm mentioning, oh, it didn't bring up photos. It brought up templates. That's okay. Anyway, so if you're looking for all of the resources mentioned, you can find, look in the description down below. Otherwise, head on over to saramichaels.com/resources. If you're new here, I have what I call my vault for influencers, entrepreneurs, and business owners. And it is a collection of everything that I use in my business. And I've been in business now for going on 10 years, which is crazy to say. Every single thing that I've tested, use, or recommend, including what I don't recommend using, is free. So like I mentioned here, I was originally going to charge 197 per person for access, and it's free. So just sign up and you get instant access, and all of my links and stuff are in there. So that is how you edit the featured photos on your Facebook section. Okay, and then once you're done doing that, I would actually go ahead and click on each individual photo and put a link to your offer or your magnet, or what we call the carrot. That's, what's going to draw people in, and that is what is putting people into your list, so your subscriber list, or into your buyers, or like growing your community. So then once you have your featured photos up there, go in and add a link in every single one, because you don't want to miss opportunities. It's all about, putting people through to that next level. So you don't want to miss any opportunity. Like if somebody clicks on this and they're like, oh my gosh, the podcast, that sounds awesome. And the worst possible thing that could happen is in that little window, that, 2 minute, anywhere from 2 seconds to 2 minute window of opportunity where somebody has connected and they're interested. The worst possible thing you could do would be not to have the information here to connect them and then miss that window of opportunity. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to go ahead and put the link in here to sign up for podcast episodes. I'm going to link to my CCQ Instagram, as well as the link to join the Co-Creating Queens VIP community. So that is how to optimize and edit the featured photos section on your Facebook. If this was helpful and you're watching on YouTube, remember to go ahead, give this a thumbs up, and subscribe to this channel, where I am giving away free tips, tutorials, and training. And I would love to welcome you into either our VIP community or a course. And so information on either of those avenues is listed below. Other than that, thanks for watching, and I hope you have a great rest of your day.